Today, I was supposed to run 27 kilometers. Pero sa simula pa lang ng takbo ko, alam ko nang hindi magiging madali tong araw na to. Sobrang init and the humidity was brutal. As runners, lagi natin naririnig that we have to push through, that we have to embrace the discomfort, that we have to keep going even when our body tells us to stop. But where do we draw the line? How do you know kung kailangan mo pang i-push and when you need to listen to your body and call it a day? In a sport that celebrates perseverance so much, is there also a place for knowing when to stop?
Not my day today. Not my day today. Good morning. I am now on my week 12 of Berlin Marathon training. So today I'm going to do a long run, 27 kilometers. And grabe, ito na ata yung pinaka-humid na araw sa year na to. Grabe, look, parang makikita mo sa hangin yung droplets ng water. 4 kilometers pa lang ako pero grabe na yung pawis ko, as in tagaktak na talaga. So I think I'm just not gonna push too hard today. Just gonna feel my body kung anong possible. Kasi medyo grabe yung hindi talaga kaya yung weather ngayon. Grabe, ang hirap din huminga. Parang ang heavy ng feeling. So I think just gonna take it easy today and let's see, hopefully matapos natin yung 27 kilometers. Let's go. Dito yung sa nating tropa na lagi yung nakakasalubong. Sama natin siya sa vlog. Ayan siya, oh, si Idol. Tawid na ako ng Macton Bridge. Mukhang condition si tropa natin. Look at my heart rate. Fuck. 155. And hindi pa ako na masyado nagpupush, ha. Grabe yung weather ngayon. Sucks. Weh, ngayon pa akong kaya ng long run. So ito yung idol natin. Grabe, sobrang bilis. Ang hirap ang habulin. Hindi ako makahinga. Grabe. Shout out. Saan tayo, bro?
Dito ako sa kanan ko yan.
Sige, samahan kita hanggang dun. Ito idol natin. Lagi natin.
Ito, idol ko to.
Lagi natin itong kasama sa hirap at ginawa to, eh.
Grabe humid.
Grabe yung humidity ngayon, no? Ito na ata pinaka-humid.
Oo.
Ngayong taon, no?
Sarap tamakbuhin, no?
Hindi. Grabe.
Grabe.
Makailang ka na?
Wala to. Lang pa lang.
Nakaka 5K pa lang ako. Grabe. Parang hanggang medyas na yung pawis ko.
Kaya nga eh.
Ilan ka ba ngayon?
5K lang ako ngayon. Balik ako.
Recovery lang.
Oo.
Sa club ko ngayon, eh.
Uy.
27 kilometers ako.
Sige.
Ngayon pa. Pero baka hindi ko matapos.
Kaya nga, grabe.
Siguro mga 25 lang. So ayun,
Ano?
iiwalay na tayo kay Idol.
Sige.
Kita-kita tayo sa Instagram.
Sige.
Ara, Ingat, ingat, ha? Enjoy, enjoy.
Thank you.
7 kilometers in. Alam mo, pagsabi lang ng 7, hirap na. Ang hirap na. Grabe. Sobrang, ito na talaga yung pinaka-humid na araw ata sa taon na to. Grabe. Hopefully lang, paglabas ng araw medyo mawala yung humidity. Pero, ang init naman. Fuck. Catch 22 tong araw na to.
The bloodstains on my hands, a 3-year one-night stand. Love is bitter when it's bad. Lying next to me in bed, say your name under my breath. Sleep till it's toxic, the same dance. Our feet firm in quicksand. Love is bitter when I see.
10 kilometers in. 17 na lang.
How much I can make you bleed till you feel like you're deceased. Sleep talk. Into the night, I drink and drive. Anything to help me let go, let go. You feel the pain, I feel the same. But we cannot repeat this cycle. The worst is yet to come. The worst is yet to come. No, please don't be alarmed. We tend to fall apart. I'm entirely to blame. No, I couldn't keep you safe. It's just I won't betray. Sleep tight. Sunset, sunrise. It's better. You're not mine. I had everything to lose. Always find a way to prove that I'm not deserving of you. Into the night, I drink and drive. Anything to help me let go, let go. You feel the pain, I feel the same. But we cannot repeat this cycle. The worst is yet to come. The worst is yet to come. I play the victim like it's an issue. Now I can see that I should have left you alone. The worst is yet to come. One day you'll say if the truth is.
Not my day today. Not my day today. 18 kilometers. 9 kilometers pa. So, I don't know. I might cut this workout short today. Ewan ko.
I am just a disease. The worst is yet to come. The worst is yet to come.
19 kilometers in. 8 kilometers na lang. But I might cut this workout short today. Yung heart rate ko unusually high. And I'm usually tired. Usually, I can tell kung tinatamad lang ako or wala ako sa mood. Pero this time, yung feeling ko na tired nagre-reflect sa heart rate ko. So, there's something wrong talaga. Siguro, it's the weather. Sobrang extreme ng weather ngayon. grabe yung humidity, grabe yung init, walang hangin, ang hirap huminga. Oh, grabe. So nahihirapan yung body ko mag cool down. So that's probably the reason kaya ang taas ng heart rate ko today. So ayun, I'm planning to cut this workout short today, but let's see. Mga 5 kilometers pa naman ako sa bahay, so baka magbago pa yung pakiramdam ko. Hopefully magbago, pero I'm not gonna push it kung hindi talaga kaya. So yun lang, pinapakita ko yung reality ng pagte-training for marathon. Sometimes it's not your day talaga, so you have to listen to your body, or else baka may injury ka o makasakit ka pa. So ganito talaga yung reality, hindi laging according to your plan yung mga mangyayari. Best you can do is prepare lang, do your job, and just hope for the best. Ganun, parang gawin naman sa life eh, sa lahat ng aspect ng life parang ganun. Cannot really tell kung anong magiging results. Ang importante lang, gawin mo yung best effort mo. So ayun, let's do this.
The worst is yet to come. The worst is yet to come. With a victim like it's an illusion. Now I can see that I should have left you alone. The worst is yet to come.
So that's it. I didn't finish the workout. 21 kilometers lang. Wala na. Parang wala talaga ako sa hulog ko ngayong araw. And I think enough naman ang stimulus na yung na-create ko sa body during the 21 kilometers. And I doubt na mas magiging beneficial pa kung nag-push pa ako, kasi ang hirap huminga eh. Grabe yung humidity, kakaiba ngayon. Simula pa lang itong video na to sinasabi ko na kasi talagang totoo, grabe. Ngayon ito ata yung peak na summer talaga. So ayun nga, hindi ko natapos yung workout, pero at least nagawa pa rin natin kahit pa paano yung bulk of it. 21 kilometers, not bad na yun. So bukas rest day ako. Hindi ako wala akong workout na gagawin the whole day, so talagang focus lang ako sa rest, kasi talagang parang feeling ko nag-accumulate na yung fatigue sa body ko. Kaya siguro na ganito rin yung performance ko today. So that's it. Bye.